Oh my god.
Yippee-ki-yay, motherfuckers! Oh, goddamn! I can tell what we're doing. Holy shit. We're going left and right. Oh, goddamn. Holy shit. This is fucking badass. Oh, holy shit. I can't see anything.
I can't see anything either.
Yep, this is one of Chuck's pivots right here. Fuck yeah, bitches.
I can't see anything.
Fucking working the shit out of the wheel, man. Just go down the ditch. It was Chuck that drove through this, I guarantee you. We're screwed as fuck if we go in the ditch. It's called Chuck.
Oh, I see a hole that I can see through.
Yeah, bitches.
Dude, this is ridiculous.
This is fucking nice.
Sprinklers right
Holy shit.
Yeah, that's what we came for.
here. Then you go through some water and clean off that damn windshield.
Yeah.
It won't wipe off the wipers at all.
Get off some of that. No.
Just smeared it.
we got a little see-through right here. Just
We
go
gotta
straight.
see through.
Go straight.
We gotta use the video to watch to see where we're going.
Ooh. Ooh, piece of candy. Okay, we got an intersection coming up right here. We'll probably stop right here. We got water right there, straight ahead. Straight ahead.
See.
Yeah. What do you got above that?
Oh my gosh, man. Some muddy shit.
Badass.
Nice!
That song.
Goodbye, guys.
Catch it.
Goodbye, Eugene.
Badass.